Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush in Shark RV2001. And to do this, first we'll need to flip our robot upside down, then you'll be able to locate main rotating brush right here, and you can pull it out by pressing on those two buttons with your fingers, remove the cover and then pick up the brush and remove it by pulling it to the left. Then to put it back in, we'll need to align the square that is on the right side of the brush and put it in like this, and then also make sure that this rotating plate is also aligned properly like that. And then we can close the hatch. When you hear the click, it should be locked in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.